Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log in Telegram by QR code. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after, tap on the three lines icon. Then over there you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of devices. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of link desktop devices with QR. If you tap on it, they'll ask you for your camera permission. Then you have to open your Telegram in your website, in your desired website. Then over here you can see a QR code. Open it on your desktop or anywhere. Then after
a QR will appear and just turn your phone. Then just turn on your camera and scan the QR. Then likewise you will be logged into your
Telegram account by using Telegram QR. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.